Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! Our yummy recipe for today is bibingka that are selling in the street of Manila. Let's start by mixing all the dry ingredients, the all-purpose flour, rice flour, the instant yeast, and the sugar, then whisk, then set aside. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients. Put the eggs in a small bowl first to check if it's a good or bad eggs. Then add the salt and using wire whisk, beat good the eggs. Then add the melted butter and the evaporated milk. You can also add fresh milk. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Gently whisk the mixture until totally combined in smooth mixtures and set aside for an hour. While waiting to proof the rice flour mixtures, I'm heating the banana leaves to be pliable when putting to the terracotta molder. Here's the terracotta molder with banana leaves.
After 1 hour.
After an hour, get the rice mixtures, whisk to remove the bubbles, then add the baking powder. After adding the baking powder, gently whisk to the mixture and set aside for 15 minutes.
After 15 minutes.
After 15 minutes, get the mixtures and lastly, add the grated cheese. I set aside some sliced cheese for the toppings since I don't have salted eggs. Then bake the bibingka on a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. After 15 minutes, get the bibingka from the oven and put the toppings, the sliced ham and sliced cheese. After baking while still hot, the bibingka, brush with melted butter or margarine with a natto powder for added good color and nutty flavors also. And do all the steps on baking bibingka with the rest of the rice flour mixtures. By the way, you can also cook the bibingka mixture on a terracotta oven up and down fire with charcoal. Yummy! Okay, let me taste. Good! Good. Yummylicious. Please try this, guys. Good. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching.